Over here. Hello. It's rather chilly here, isn't it? My mistress sent me off on an errand, but I was accosted by a ruffian. And now I'm in a bind. Could I ask you lend a hand? That thug made off with a precious necklace. Only, if you've any qualms confronting... Oh, what a blessing that we've met like this. The thug should be resting at an abandoned home down the way. Please, I must have the necklace back.
What are you looking at? You trying to start something, mate? Ah, that necklace what you're after, is it? Well, show me, and I'll consider parting. I'm not in love with it or nothing. Think you're bloody clever, do you? Then how about you piss off, for I'll crack you in half. What are you up to this, eh? Damn it! I'll rip you. Why ain't it me? Why ain't it ever?
The thug should be resting at an abandoned home. Please, Oh yes. That is my missing necklace. Thank you kindly. Did I forget to announce myself? I am Raya, in the service of Lady Tanith of the Volcano Manor. I seek stalwart tarnished, who might... You are very brave yourself, but a steady heart. Such strength is... Please, take this. Brave tarnished. Seek the outmost tarnished, are doomed to wander the outskirts of the lands between, peering wistfully. But you are no ordinary tarnished, and the Volcano Manor will fully extend its invitation to fight amongst a family of champions. Oh, and this land of Liurnia is connected to the Altus Plateau, but the lift has been defunct for an age. Instead, you must seek the old ruins in the cliff. At the base of the valley, near the Grand Lift, there's an old tunnel. It was excavated from both ends. I have faith in you. I do hope that we can... I've been waiting for you. I knew you had the stuff of champions. I hereby invite you to the Volcano Manor. Take my hand and have audience with my mistress. I've been waiting for... I knew you. I hereby take my hand. Give me your hand. I will pray that you follow the same path
Brave Tarnished. Welcome to the Volcano Manor. I am Tanith, the proprietress of this house. A warrior of promise, I believe she said. Perhaps you are prepared to make a commitment. Will you join us here? Why accept the burden of their grace? Rise with us. Interesting. Now you belong to the Volcano. The drawing room lies down, but be sure to earn your keep.
That horrendous serpent. Praetor Rykard.
You're tarnished, here to put the demigods to the then please. The one that devoured Praetor. I left the serpent-slaying spear worthy tarnished. Branded the great serpent. That Praetor Rykard's but they were reduced to gluttonous depravity. Once he gave him whatever that thing is, someone to spare him and
You. What in heaven's name are you doing, Volcano? I hope you understand.
Well, as long
I thought you
perhaps playing, but know that before you can... This blasphemous before you consider hunting any of your...
Hello again, brave Tarnished. As a scout, I am pleased to see you again here under Lady Tanith's gut. Brave Tarnished under Lady